Let's look into mutability. So as we've already seen, mutability is not supported by set. Rest all the three data types, dictionary, tuple, and list will support mutability. When it comes to a string is also immutable. So let's see this through an example. So say we have this variable var list with value 1, 2, 3. Now we were to access its second element, we will say index 1 because it starts with 0, right? So the value is 2. Now suppose we want to overwrite this value with 20, right? And then let's print it again, where list. So you can see the value is 20. So list allowed us to overwrite a value and it was super easy. If same thing we would have tried to do using on a string. So say we have this variable string with value hello world. Now say E is the first index here. So if we are going to say index 1, then it will print E. Now suppose we want to override this with capital E. Then it will throw an error that is string object does not support item assignment because we know string is an immutable. Same thing will happen if we were, so let me comment it so that there is no confusion or error. Okay. Now, if we are going to look into tuple, so tuple has 1, 2, 3, 3 elements. And again, if we were going to refer to its second element, we will get 2. Now, if we write it with say 20, again we'll get the same error because both string and tuple does not support the item assignment. Okay. But if we look into say dictionary, then we can always do so. So let's say we have this variable dictionary and it has a value, sorry, key as B. If you go here and say you override this 20 with say 200 and then again print your dictionary, then the value would be updated as you can see, right? And same thing goes true for set. But in case of set, if you have to add it a value or say add 200, right? And then if you print set A, you can see 200 value has been added. Please note that this function add, or sorry, this method add will just take one argument. If you're going to add two argument, then it will throw an error. Okay, that the method add will be taking only one argument. So always ensure that you are just passing one argument when you are using the method add. Okay. Okay. Now let's move on to the next attribute.